lovely, isn't it?
Not necessarily that colour though.
No. Alison wouldn't let you.
No. Oh. I rang about one that was, well, a ringed one that's grey. He doesn't want me to have that one either.
No.
That's it. Keep those heels down so your leg doesn't come back. Okay, nice and steady into this one because she does a big jump over this one.
Speed derby.
Oh, okay, keep it going, that's it. Focus on that pink jump so she knows where she's going. Very good.